I'm going to make a mini airplane. I don't know if it's going to be mini. You need a piece of scissors because if you have paper and you don't need to cut out, you need it to be this small. And then you need to cut it out like this. Yeah. Now, what you need to do is fold that part in there, and then fold that part in there. Now you see, you fold it down, and then you fold it like that, and then you put it down like this, and down like this, and yeah, you're done. Here's the 2 airplanes. These are the same airplanes. This one was one that I showed you how to make a 4. Let's throw them and test them. That was wrong. That was wrong. Let me try again. Okay, this is going to be perfect. Actually, crash land. Okay, bye-bye.